Welcome guys. So finally I've been able to remove the seats from the car, except the back bench, which is a bit of trouble because I think the headrest there needs to be it's electronic. It's electronic that has to move in, so I have to get a battery to remove that. But now, since I don't have the battery to do that, for today what I'm going to do is I'm going to vacuum this car and then try and work on the carpet, wash the carpet to the extent that I can, so that at least the car will be looking clean a bit. Then try and get a battery, fix the wire harness, and then fix the circuit, then start to move and try and move it so that we can move it. Because if you can see here, it looks like the headrest. This is how you operate it. You cannot operate it manually. So for now, I'll just start to clean the inside of the carpet, wash the carpet, and then let's see where we go after from there. So let's get working. So let's remove the plastics from this car, clean up this car, clean up the mess, and let's start going. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'm going to clean the dust, the sand from there, then vacuum it later. So let's clean the sands. It has a lot of dust. this is the first coat of washing, and it's looking pretty good. The light is not helping because it's night upon us, so I'll be stopping here and I'll be continuing tomorrow. So this is the passenger side of the seat, and it has been nicely cleaned. But this is just the first. There'll be third, fourth, fifth. Probably I'll be cleaning it 5 times till I get it perfect, pretty clean. Because it's night, you cannot see, the light is not really bright enough for you to see how clean it is for now. So I will stop here and continue tomorrow when I have daylight. So catch you guys tomorrow.